Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make a tasty and soft besan laddu. If you are here for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and please do support me. Let's get started. Heat a heavy bottom pan and add half cup of besan or gram flour. Reduce the heat to medium and you have to continuously keep mixing it and dry roast this flour till you get a nice aroma and the raw smell should go off completely. Make sure you mix it thoroughly from the bottom to the top so that all the flour gets roasted evenly. Make sure the heat is at medium, and it's very important step to roast the flour to the right level. Only then the laddu will taste nice. And it's also very much important to use a heavy bottom pan so that the flour doesn't get burnt while roasting. As you can see, there is a slight change in color and I could get the nice aroma of the roasted flour and the raw smell has almost gone. And if you see any small lumps, just break it using the back of the ladle and roast it. Look at the color now, it's been roasted to the right level. Immediately turn off the heat and you should immediately transfer it to another bowl and allow it to cool down completely. This is how the color of the roasted flour should look. It should not be darker than that. And once it's cooled down, I'm going to sieve it. Use a sieve and sieve the flour so that you'll get a very smooth texture. If you see any small lumps, just break it and sieve it thoroughly. It's been done now. I'm going to transfer this sieved flour to a mixing bowl. So I've taken the same quantity, half cup of sugar in a mixer jar, and I've grinded it to a fine powder, and I'm adding the powdered sugar. To this add a half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix everything so that the sugar and the flour, cardamom powder, everything should get combined together. So it's very important to sieve the roasted gram flour, only then you'll get a smooth texture. So I have taken half cup of gram flour. For that I have heated up quarter cup of ghee, and when it is still hot you have to add it to the mixture and keep mixing it. Mix it thoroughly so the sugar will start to melt in the heat of the ghee. Once it's warm enough for you to handle, use your hand and mix it well. Break if there are any lumps. Once it's been thoroughly mixed, take a handful of this mixture and press it and roll it to a round ball. You have to do it when the mixture is still warm, only then it will be easy for you to shape it up. So the laddu is now ready. You can repeat the same process and make laddu out of all the remaining mixture. In this I'm going to garnish it with little chopped nuts. If you want you can, but if you don't prefer you can just skip this step. But I'm going to garnish it with little chopped almonds. I've taken 4 almonds and I've chopped it like this, and I'm going to place little on top of each of the laddu. Adding nuts will give a nice crunchiness to this laddu, and that's all. Such a super easy and very tasty and soft besan laddu is now ready. I'll just break one and I'll show you how soft it is. See? You only need 3 ingredients to make this laddu. So do give it a try at home and share your feedback. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.